Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at the top 5 best 3D printers in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best 3D printers. The 5th product on our list is FlashForge Adventurer 3. Looking for an entry-level printer, particularly for classrooms? Check out the FlashForge Adventurer 3. This convenient and easy-to-operate printer is fully enclosed, keeping curious hands away from moving or heated parts. It also has an integrated webcam for monitoring the status of your prints. Even better, we found that it has an above-average print quality and a decent set of capabilities, including a fairly large build area. Our main issue with this printer is that it is designed for smaller filament spools. You aren't restricted to a proprietary brand, but you will need to either rewind the smaller spools or make a separate spool holder if you plan to use the readily available 1 kilogram spools instead of the 500-gram spools it's designed for. It might not be the absolute best printer around, but we think it tops the charts when it comes to ease of use and is our favorite option to recommend to teachers. Up next in 4th place is the Elegoo Saturn 2. If print detail and quality are the most important criteria for choosing a 3D printer, then you'll want a resin model, such as the Elegoo Saturn 2. Seriously, the Saturn 2 produces the best prints we've ever tested, prompting a perfect score. The details are near flawless, and the build lines are so minuscule that you're not going to see them unless you're really looking. The Saturn 2's secret is the 10-inch 8K resolution LCD screen, which is industry-leading. This means you'll have XY pixel resolution of 28.5 micrometers. That's about a third the width of a human hair. Resin printers demolish FDM in print quality, but that comes at a high cost. The resin is sticky, messy, and requires labor-intensive post-processing to clean and cure your prints. The bottom line is if your print needs are hyper-detailed models for tabletop gaming or model building, this is the absolute best printer on the market. The 3rd product on our list is the Creality 3D Ender 3 Pro. If you're looking to get into 3D printing for the least amount of money possible, the Creality 3D Ender 3 Pro is a great bet. This printer is a fantastic value, coupling excellent overall performance with one of the lowest list prices of the entire group. Its PLA print quality floored us in some of our tests, and it is relatively easy to use once you get the hang of it and get all of its settings dialed in. It has an impressive set of printing capabilities for its price range and decent customer service and support. That said, we wouldn't recommend the Creality 3D Ender 3 Pro to anyone not prepared to do a little tinkering with their printer. It is far from a turnkey solution when it arrives. It took the most time to set up of any of the printers in our test fleet. The bulk of the assembly is completed at the factory, so it is much quicker to put together than a full kit, but you still need to attach all the main assemblies and plug in the wiring harness. This takes an hour or two, and there are plenty of resources available from the manufacturer or third parties to help walk you through it. However, it can be a bit daunting if you aren't tech-savvy or well-versed in 3D printers in general. It also can be improved quite a bit by some printed or purchased upgrades. Despite the more involved assembly process, this is still our top recommendation for anyone on a tight budget. Unlike some other bargain models, the Creality 3D Ender 3 Pro is a printer that you won't immediately outgrow, but expect to treat the machine like a project of its own, rather than just a tool. The 2nd product on our list is the Anycubic Vyper. The Anycubic Vyper is an incredible value for a 3D printer. This model features downright useful tech that is usually reserved for pricier printer options. We love that this printer is straightforward and burden-free to set up and run. It is also backed by some solid support to help with getting your print looking flawless and replacement parts switched out easily. If you've been waiting for a headache-free 3D printer option that doesn't burn a massive hole in your wallet, this is your winner. The Vyper has respectable but not fantastic print quality. The quality is certainly nothing to be discouraged over, but expect to take some time tinkering in your slicer software of choice to really dial the quality in. Once it is, your prints should be repeatable and simple to remove and post-process. Customer support is China-based, and while they are knowledgeable and helpful, there is no way to contact them in real time. This shouldn't matter in most cases. However, their video support is very comprehensive for most issues. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Bambu Lab P1P. The Bambu Lab P1P has just about everything you're looking for in an FDM printer. It ranks near the top of every metric we test for, and while it's not cheap per se, it's a lot more affordable than most of the higher-end models we've seen. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, and produces prints of the best quality we've seen from an FDM option. But that's not what the P1P does best. That distinction goes to its highly upgradable nature, with an available multi-filament changer and a framework that accepts a huge variety of add-ons like custom enclosure walls. While this is elective, it is undeniably fun and the gateway into jumping into the huge community of fanatic fellow Bambu users via a dedicated forum. The printer is also very fast and has some nice built-in features like camera to monitor prints, time-lapses, and Wi-Fi connection. Bambu Lab is a relatively new player in the 3D printer market and is already known for its stellar print and build quality as a brand. Even though the price may cause some to clutch their pearls, this model is one of the more affordable in Bambu's lineup. That said, it's a fun printer that motivates us to iterate, build, and push our understanding and skill set. That's all for our list of the 5 best 3D printers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.